Hello friends, I am Vikash Kumar. In today's video, we will discuss VASD, Vehicle Actuated Speed Display. Definition: VASD is a system that detects a vehicle's speed using radar and displays it instantly on a display board. Purpose: it is a speed calming measure. It immediately shows the driver their speed and warns them if they are overspeeding. 20116 circular. VASD, along with VSDS cameras, was used, but there was no number plate recognition. This means no challan was issued, only a warning was given. 2023 circular. VASD is still used, but only for warning purposes. Challan generation and enforcement are handled by the VIDES system. Placement guideline: 1 VASD must be installed every 20 kilometers, and additional units should be installed in overspeeding-prone zones. Key point: VASD is an inexpensive and preventative system. It first warns the driver, and if ignored, the VIDES Gantry enforces penalties, e-challan. Note: one-line summary. VASD is a display board that shows a vehicle's speed in real time. If a driver overspeeds, it provides a warning. It existed in 2016 and continues in 2023, but now challans are issued only by the VIDES system. The role of VASD is purely to alert the driver. If you found this video informative, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to Toll Tech Academy for more such information.